Well, here goes nothing. The machine ain't working. So I'm going to try a little tip that I heard about. You get power running from the power cord. Plugged in machine. And you got no power. So just unplug it. I'm in here with a little, some people have been using screwdrivers and stuff, but you pry these little here USB ports from contacting the metal surface around, which probably causing it to ground out, and more than likely caused by Turtle Beach or something like that. Anyway, I'm going to pry around it, see if I can get a couple of these to lift off the metal. I'm going to probably suggest, if you can, reach in there with the tiniest pliers you can and just straighten them out as well as you can. And well, oh, one of them broke off. Well, doesn't matter, I guess. The machine doesn't work. But it has all my old data on it still. Got a new one. But I'm going to take a look to see if I plug this sucker back in. Alright. See if anything happens. Can't hurt to try, right? Well, la-di-da. Look at that. Who would have guessed YouTube's useful for something? Anyway, your best bet is probably to pry out the USBs and have a nice day.